Hose is connected. Go ahead and start the transfer.
Roger that. Monitoring the flow rate now. Okay, that pallet goes in bay 3. Watch the shrink wrap on the next one.
We use these large tanks to ensure the brown sugar is perfectly dissolved in the purified water before moving to the next stage.
Refined brown sugar is dissolved in purified water using large mixing tanks. The mixture is
The distinctive brown color comes from carefully controlled caramel coloring, which also contributes to the flavor profile of sugar syrup.
Phosphoric acid. This ingredient provides the tangy bite and helps preserve the beverage, added to the sugar syrup Coca-Cola factory.
The flow rate looks good, right on target.
Confirmed. The viscosity is holding steady.
The flow rate is steady, and the density reading is holding at 65 bricks.
Yes, Supervisor, the sample is perfect. We are cleared for the next stage.
Cold temperatures help CO2 dissolve more effectively into the liquid, creating the perfect level of carbonation.
The water is transported under immense pressure, ensuring the perfect level of carbonation before it meets the syrup in the mixing vessel.
Sugar syrup and carbonated water are combined in precise ratios, typically 1 part syrup to 5 parts carbonated water.
These lines are fast. We fill 2,000 bottles per minute, approximately 120,000 every hour.
Computer-controlled filling heads ensure each container receives the exact amount of beverage, typically accurate to within 1 to 2 milliliters.
Bottles are sealed immediately after filling to prevent carbonation loss and contamination in cola factory.
Fill level checks. Automated sensors verify correct fill levels, rejecting any containers outside specifications in this cola factory. Cap torque testing ensures caps are neither too loose, allowing leakage, nor too tight, making opening difficult.
Ensure those pallets are cleared from the main aisle now.
Flow rates are optimal, Supervisor. Capping mechanism is stable.
According to this manifest, we should have 40 more cases of Sprite.
The system shows them inbound on the next truck. These are the regular Coke pallets.